So I took the air filter off the carburetor. So now it goes a whole lot faster because the air goes into the exhaust intake, into the piston, which burns up the gas faster. And now I heard y'all's comments saying that I should have, well, some people said that I needed a 32 sprocket, but the problem is I live in an area with a lot of hills, so I have to have a 44 sprocket. I wish I could have had a 40 sprocket, but it just didn't come with the kit. I also got some of these lights from Dollar Tree that could go onto my bike tires and actually light it up as I'm rolling. So I'm going to add that to my motorized bike I have now, and the one I'm restoring after I finish it. Which I actually need to go do that right now. So I got them here. And I tried playing with the tuning a little bit, or the idling, but it wouldn't start. I just left it as it is because I was hoping if I turned it a little more this way, like to the right, it wouldn't start. If to the left, it would not run right. So I just left it as it is, and now it runs fine. Trail I just found. Apparently it goes all the way down to a college. So I'm just gonna ride my bike. Right there it says no motorized vehicles. So I'm just gonna ride my bike without any motorized wildlife is in the area. So I ain't gonna turn my motor on. I'm not. So gonna see how far this trail goes. I found a creek.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, it's going pretty good. Might be able to ride down it. So I'm trying to have a YouTube to-do list. One of the main things I've been wanting to do is make a skit, so I put that on the YouTube short, so I'm hopefully be able to do that. I'm gonna ride my bike some more.
thank you for watching this video. Like if you want to see more. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, so please help me reach that milestone. Goodbye.